Hi, hello everybody. Welcome back again to another session of one question a day. Today we are going to look into the role of saliva and defense mechanisms. For this question, you need to talk about the composition of saliva initially. That is, it is made predominantly of water, 99%, and 1% of other inorganic and organic materials. So inorganic contains ion, electrolytes, and all this. Carbonates, bicarbonates, organic secretory proteins, enzymes like taline, lipase, and hydrolytic enzymes. You have got immunoglobulins, which is associated with defense functions. It has got IgA, IgG, IgM. It has got some antimicrobial enzymes. It has got some antioxidant also. It also, the major role of saliva is to protect the oral cavity from bacterial actions. The mucus secretion of saliva traps the microorganisms per se and prevent their further entry into the oral cavity. This is the first line of defense. The saliva secretes immunoglobulins like IgA, IgG, IgM that provides immunity. It contains bicarbonates and phosphates that act as a buffer systems and helps in the base buffer. They also has water and a mucus content that covers the oral hard tissue, providing and making a conditioned biofilm, which helps in the or prevents the attachment of microorganisms. They also contains proteins that binds to the bacteria, thereby blocking their attachment to the surface of the oral cavity, hard tissue and soft tissue. They have antimicrobial substances such as lactoferrin, lysozyme, lactoperoxidases, antimicrobial peptides that inhibit the growth of bacteria or destroy them. They have antioxidants such as uric acids, albumin, ascorbic acids, and glutathiones that helps to or works via the redox pathway and oxidizes the work with the free oxygen or radical pathway of the microbial content so that they are destroyed. Proline-rich enzymes in saliva helps in enamel formation, thereby preventing the attachment or remineralization. Okay, thereby preventing the attachment of the microbes to the tooth and also play a role in microbe killing. Not only that, the high water content of the saliva, 90%, creates a flow or a flushing out effect of the microbial organisms. That is a very most important substance. Clinical significance. In case of xerostomia, when the amount of volume of saliva is less, the microbial actions will predominate. It will include dental caries and periodontal pathogens. That brings an end to the discussion on the role of saliva in defense of the oral cavity. Stay connected with this channel to learn more. Till then, learn incrementally, at least one question a day. Happy learning.